What's the best way to avoid making a big mistake when buying a home? Getting a good home inspection before you seal the deal. Most people just look at the cosmetics of the house they're thinking of buying, but a good home inspector looks deeper. They'll examine the foundation, the electrical system, the plumbing system, the roof, the major appliances, sometimes even components of the home that can't be seen at all by the naked eye. And then they'll give you an objective evaluation of the true condition of the house. There's a lot at stake when you're buying a home. Hidden problems could end up costing you thousands of dollars. So how do you find a home inspector with the experience and expertise to help you uncover any issues within the house? Well, here's a good start. Click here to access a 2-minute video that'll give you a good orientation on home inspections. Buying a house can generate a lot of stress. A good home inspection reduces that stress, helps you make an informed decision, and may save you thousands in repairs. Click over to our helpful video to find out how.